Hi, I'm Rodley from LemTask. If your task tool feels busy before the day even starts, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you a simple daily setup using Nozbe. No advanced tricks, no over planning, just a setup that helps you actually get work done every day. This is Nozbe's homepage. For those who don't have it, the link is in the description below. For those who do, let's log in. The first rule is simple: keep your projects limited. Each project should represent real work. No ideas, no categories. Fewer projects mean clear focus. Next, avoid using too many priorities. When everything is important, nothing feels important. Most tasks don't need a label, they just need to be done. Use priorities only when you see something truly stands out. Now, this system is going to help you in the most efficient way to help you schedule a task better. Where I want you to first go is to the active project. Projects are literally where your tasks live and breathe. If you're serious about doing tasks, you need to have a project so that all of your tasks stays a certain project label so that you know what's going on and what you're going to do. So the first thing is I want us to create the first one called inbox. Just want to create that. Once you have created inbox and you also created other two tasks and you're limited on the free version, only three activity projects that you're allowed to open. If you want more advanced features, you upgrade to the next feature. But we just use inbox, and you just want to add your third one. I'm just going to change this title. I'm just going to change this title in today because I did create it. Then you're going to just, on the other hand, on your side, you are going to add task. I'm just relabeling them for now. Then I'm going to write it down. This is the system that you need. Inbox is where your tasks land. Certain things that you want to do that are highly high level serious profile and they lead to productivity land in your inbox. Your today section is where you are going to do your tasks today. And your done section is where each and every task that you have completed stays in this project, signifying that you have completed your tasks and you're doing it well. With this setup and fewer tasks in mind, that you'll at least have 5 tasks less to complete in a day so that you will see where you are going and productivity lands. I'm just going to make an example with you. Once you go into your inbox, we're just going to create 5 examples. Once you write have a meeting, you just do it like that. Once you have your 5 tasks, as you can see, it's not a lot, it's not complicated, it's simple. Then from where you are gonna have a task today, let's say the first task coming up is having a meeting. What you're gonna do, you're gonna click here like this, and I want you to go here to your inbox. And as you can see, there are project lists here. I want you just to press today. Automatically, this is the task that you're gonna do today. And once it goes in today, it's only a matter of you setting yourself a date. That's of course today, and setting yourself a reminder of when you're going to do this task. If you're going to do it in hours time, you just write done. Automatically you have scheduled your task for today and the time that you're going to do it. Once you have actually done your task and you have completed it, you just click back there again, and you just move it and you just change the project. And when you go to your done section, you have completed your task like this. This is a setup that helps you consistently do your tasks with productivity. Each and every one that you do the same order. Which one comes first to your attention and you're willing to take action to do today? It's a matter of just pressing here, putting it in today's box, and getting started. This setup works because it removes decisions. Fewer projects, fewer priorities, one clear daily view. Your brain stays focused on work, not organization. That's how Nozbe stays helpful instead of overwhelming. For context, this is how we do daily execution in LemTask. Tasks are captured fast, focus starts with one click, execution stays front and clear. If you don't have LemTask, it's in the description. The link is in the description below. Once you click, you go here, it takes you to the home page, and you press get for free, and it will take you here. You just put in your full name, email, and password and sign up. This is LemTask's dashboard. Contains a lot of features that help you execute, structure your work, and to focus on tasks. I'm not going to explain all the features, but I'm going to explain a specific feature that helps me schedule my tasks efficiently by just using my voice. I go to the brain dome. Once I am here, I just start the voice. Have a meeting today with my CEO. Once I've done that, I extract. Once I have extracted the task, as you can see, having a meeting today with my CEO with today's date, what's left for me to add, it's the time when I'm going to have the meeting and how high of a level of priority it is for me. High, low, medium, it's high. Then I'm going to add it to my task like this. Immediately when I go to my today's inbox, which is where my tasks stay automatically that I have to do today, I'm looking at already the tasks that I've scheduled using the voice section. My tasks already scheduled with the time. What's left for me when the time hits for me to attack my task, I go to the focus timer, which has 25 minutes base time to set on focus and focus on the task at hand. And this really helps with me with my productivity to make sure that I strictly stay focused on the task at hand. It's only about to go below here, and you just press have a meeting today, which is the task that you have scheduled. And when you start, you just start focusing and you give everything your attention. If you're about to have breaks or long breaks, you can also start the timer. And when you're back, you just continue where you left off. Nozbe works best when it stays simple. Clean projects, clean tasks, clean daily focus. When the system is quiet, execution becomes easier.